Installing the Transcendent VMS 2.0 Lite on my Mac. If I click on the Apple icon and go to About This Mac, I am running iOS Catalina 10.15.3. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. Now here's the PKG. I already downloaded this, so we're going to go ahead and double click on it. And I apologize for this. I'm running a secondary screen in order to record it, and the display is also a lot bigger so people could view it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue, install. It's going to ask you to enter your MacBook password, so I'm going to do that right now. And the PKG could be, you could either email us at techsupport@viteccctv.com and ask for it, and we'll send you a Dropbox link for it. Soon it will be on our website, but for right now it's through Dropbox. So it takes about less than a minute to install. So once it's success, go ahead and close this up. Now to find it, you're going to click on Go and go to Application, and it's called Monitor Client. So we're going to left click, hold, drag, and drop. We're going to close this up and double click on it. And again, I apologize, I have to drag it over from my other screen onto this screen. So the default username is admin, and the default password is 123456. Now you could select remember password and also auto login, so you don't have to continuously do this every time you log out and log into the software. So I'm going to go select auto login and click login. And let me drag it over. And open up this to full screen. And again, I apologize for the display. This is just to view it better. So we're going to go ahead and click on home. And this is what it basically looks like. It just focuses on doing live, adding devices, playback, and backup. I will be going through these on other videos. It does have other options available that I will be covering on other videos as well. But this video was just meant for on how to install it onto your MacBook. Thank you.